for a good time?
Yeah, I think I'm not. That's good.
Yep.
Here we go.
We're gonna walk right through this. Oh, no, we're not.
Back it up. Let's go around it. Come on, girl. There we go. Let her eat. This seems like deja vu. Give it the beans. Dude, that engine is great. That thing is so good. It's pretty much just like every other kind of four-wheeling we do.
All right, Dave, I'm gonna give her hell.
Got it. Good work.
This old truck, it likes to go places. All right, let's go around the mud hole and head on down the hill.
All right. Shotgun.
This truck needs a name.
Peas and carrots.
That's a great name. I was thinking sweet potato pie, but peas and carrots is even better.
Yeah.
Peas and carrots, let's go see what else you'll do.
There was some cool boulders over here. See what it'll do. We know it gets stuck good.
All right, this is our chance to try and use all the low gear we got.
Because we only have it in reverse.
Yeah, we'll reverse up the rocks.
I'm not. It'll be.
You not buying that? Oh,
I just hope you can stop this thing.
I'm sure we can. Just be ready to shut her all down.
I got hand on the brake.
Okay. Try not to run over any bushes. Ready to climb?
Yeah. Aim it right for that big. Put me in the back dash.
You're good. We're good. This is safe.
Yeah, head for the big one. I got my eye on her. Nice and slow. A little towards me. A little towards you. Oh boy, that's a sketchy feeling. I can't really look at it.
No, look out. Lean out there and look.
Oh, you missed it.
I missed it? Am I climbing?
Yeah, you're doing a great job.
All right, I gotta back off a little.
Oh, jeez.
Don't worry about that.
I would say go towards David.
Okay. It's okay. Hang on.
There we go. I think that's that big rock. Rears are spinning.
Oh!
Let's not do that anymore.
Going towards Dave. Hey, we're rock crawling.
We drove over a rock. Let's call that good. It's really just pretty scary, pretty much all of it. It's cool. We did good enough.
You want to do it again?
No?
I can drive us back down there. Here, watch.
This isn't fun.
All right, a good hill climber, not a hill descender. Was that fun, Dave?
No,
Rock crawling's a good time.
not in this. That
No,
was
we
horrible.
almost had it.
We didn't have it.
We didn't, did we rip the sidewall out of our mud tires?
We didn't break it. Let's go try something else that it might be good at, like driving down the road.
Dave didn't like that.
It was horrible. I was bouncing around in here like a rag doll.
There were a few four-letter words that kids shouldn't repeat.
A few of them. All right.
We're gonna go find something else to drive over.